Good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful day here at Shannonville. Yesterday was absolutely pouring rain all day, and it just kind of like killed the vibe.
It's beautiful. This is what we've been waiting for right now.
I know. Today is actually a super minty day. I'm honestly a little bit upset that my family didn't come out today because we'd have some real grip and some real like G's to whip them around. I feel like we see this every Sunday, but today we're just trying to focus on driving.
Yeah, and Kyle's getting us some drone shots today.
Yeah,
which
we
is
got
gonna be super sick.
We got
for
one
you
Kyle
guys.
still here. He's got the drone up, which is honestly something we've been trying to do every single drift event because we feel like the footage just looks so cool, and we just seen a sneak peek of like what he's capturing just like with other people out there right now, and it's unreal. Hopefully this guy lets you get at least 3 laps. Hopefully this guy gets us some nice drone footage.
I'll try my best.
And hopefully this guy just keeps hauling ass today, dude. We went to the car wash this morning to try and clean the cars up, and it just didn't work. There's just weird dirt lines and all over the place. It's just caked on from yesterday, but we're gonna get out there, get a warm-up lap in, and then like I said, today's just about straight progress. Yesterday we had some fun, filmed a little bit, but I'm just trying to get good at drifting, boys. All right, buddy, let's try to remind ourselves what grip feels like here for a whole new day. That's what grip feels like, buddy. Oh. Not bad.
That's a different animal altogether.
That's what I'm saying. It's so much more G-force.
Jesus Christ.
And then this I just don't mess around with because I don't like this wall. For sure. Oh no! No! It let go! It let go right as I was getting off. Was it dragging?
Yeah, I was dragging for a while.
Bro, it's almost at the point where I may as well just cut this one up.
Almost. I mean, it has a cut line.
We didn't break our clips, so back on it goes.
Okay, grab a couple of zip ties, we'll slop her up, and we'll do a couple more laps.
I would have had it too. I guess I'm just gonna say this out loud too for you guys. This portion of the track you guys never really see because I don't want to carry it into that wall yet. I'm not comfortable with like the speed on this part. So you always see over there, but today I'm really just trying to work on being comfortable. I want to try and just let my car do its thing and then not be throwing my hands as much as normal. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, dude. All right, well, here's how today's going. It's literally just noon right now, and we've got maybe 3 laps in.
Three runs.
Three
Yeah.
runs.
Yeah.
Sorry, not laps. We got like maybe three runs in. That corner where I say I'm never gonna drift because it's like too close to the wall is apparently really greasy. I don't entirely know what happened there, but we have had 4 cars down this morning just in that wall, which is
yeah, it has been pretty.
We got our 4th car down right now. They closed everything off for lunch.
Yeah, which we should really be getting some lunch, but Robbie came up with some wicked idea.
Truck's an absolute disaster, so don't judge this, but we got a bunch of banners. Okay, these are ones that I can't sell. So like they got like a crinkle or some sort of little miniature defect, or I just don't like the way they're cut, and I just don't sell them because I don't like the way they look. And we have hella subscribers out here today, but all our hella subscribers aren't rocking banners, bro. You guys are slacking. Let's go help out some fans in need. You look like a subscriber in need, so I left a banner in the car for you.
Dude. Yeah.
Final subscriber in need because this dickbag rocking the wrong banner.
I told myself when me and Tim were gonna drift this car, I would never run these rims on the rear. Today, we're running them on the rear.
A little bit of stretch. Like, I'm having so much fun. I've got our little thin boys on now. We took off my frickin' bricks. Dude, I think some drone shots right now that we're comfortable would be unreal. Drifting, but that was fucking perfect. Oh, they're good, man. They're good. So good today.
That was awesome.
Dude, I'm so pumped. I get to give you guys good drives.
That was awesome, dude.
Every time up until now when I have a passenger, I'm like, yeah, you know, like I'm learning, I'm getting pretty good. Today I'm just feeling great.
This is what's going down.
Okay.
The G's feeling funny, so you're gonna take me for a ride. This This guy, our camera crew guy right here, is about to head out. So thank you for filming today.
What's wrong with your G?
I don't know, it feels funny.
Feels funny?
Every time I went to do like a right-hand turn, the car felt really weird. So I was like, okay, maybe my rear bearing's gone because something's been squeaking. Yeah. So I came back and I jacked it up and I shook the wheels and everything's good.
So it's something like we gotta put up on the lift to check it out and see what's wrong. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, but that's good because I was literally just sitting there thinking like, man, I need to take Chris because like I got the shit down. And I was like, I need to get Chris out here and just show him like how down I got this shit.
You did, buddy.
It's okay, let's go. It's okay. Not bad, eh?
Yo, are you kidding me?
I'm feeling good.
What the? Damn.
I'm trying to link this shit up.
Yeah. So we definitely blew some chords for sure. Listen to this guy rolling up. Definitely got some chords going down.
Nice.
Just some little guys, you know. Nothing like some noodles.
Some spaghettis. Just enough to make the sounds.
Yeah.
All right, let's get these swapped and then we got time for like 1-2 more.
Okay.
Because that was fun, right?
Yeah, I think let's go. Let's put the goldies on real quick.
Okay.
Like this. This means
little pee-pee.
little pee-pee.
All right, well,
tell them what happened. We got
oh, my lights are on.
Well, I'll tell you guys. We got a huge rainstorm coming. And this
Yeah.
guy is taking all day to figure shit out.
Thank you. We got the beefcakes on. These actually, the rotos look kind of weird. I just don't like the color on the car, I think. Me and Chris each took a set of these fat boys that I was running yesterday and this morning, and then he threw his on the rotas, but they didn't fit on his car, so I threw them on. We were about to bust them out, and then we got cut off.
Yeah,
Another guy went in the ditch. That's the real problem.
Yeah, guy went in the ditch, and it was like 10-2 closing. So by the time he got out of the ditch, there was like 2 minutes of actual track time. So they basically told everybody that wasn't past the gate, too bad, so sad.
They literally just cut everybody off that like wasn't in line. We were literally 2 people from getting to go on. And then, as I was loading my car up, I just noticed, at some point today, dude, I doinked this wheel. Look at this thing. It's not bad. It's not that bad. It's a drift wheel. So like, I expected these things to happen. I'm surprised it didn't happen sooner, to be honest. But I got a nice little doinky here. Thankfully, it's chrome, so when it's all clean, you won't even really notice that. You're gonna notice, but you're not gonna notice that bad because it's gonna blend in a little bit.
Also, to let you guys know, Robbie is making some mad progression. Took me for our last track lap, our last like run, we'll call it, and he's making mad progression. Like the guy is killing it.
Thanks, buddy.
He has literally figured out the hydro.
The hydro and the fact that I don't always have to be on the gas. I think the rain yesterday really helped.
Yeah, well you learned the hydro, you learned how to use your brakes in transitions, which is sick. I haven't done that yet. And I don't have a hydro, but I'm gonna get a hydro now because after seeing this guy's progression, I feel like that's like my next step. Like I've been clutch kicking all day to the point where
I think a hydro will help you come in with speed.
I can't come into any, I can transition fine, but I just can't come into like corners hot.
We need to do a hydro, we need to get better cooling system going on, we need to gut the thing because it's just overweight.
Yeah.
And whatever, a couple other tidbits.
We gotta tie some loose ends, and then hopefully next time Timmy will come out with us and he can have fun.
He can go on the skid pad.
He'll go on the skid pad, and maybe the track, but it'll be sick because we'll get the best of everything.
Yeah, also dude, look how hot my engine gets. You can see it if it'll focus. On my hood?
Orange peeling your
That's,
paint?
yeah, that's the side with my manifold, and that's the intake side. Got another drifting weekend in the book. First off, I just want to say shout out to everybody that comes out here, subscribers that we give ride-alongs to or just talk to. I love seeing you guys, especially at drift events. I don't know why, but it's the coolest thing to me. Chris got stuck here yesterday and I had to tow him out. You guys see that on Instagram. Kind of muddy. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Four-wheel drive doesn't engage properly, so he can't four-wheel drive out of here, but he's doing it, buddy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's all I got for you guys, dude. Ending drift videos is always so weird because it's like so much hype and then it's just all over, but I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting and just helping us live life. Peace out. Stay committed.